Hey guys, so I got a bit of a workout video for you today. This one's pretty fun. It's been a couple weeks since CU's indoor meet. We're in the middle of transferring into outdoor season right now. My indoor season ended early, but with that, I do have some good news, more of a developmental news. My injuries seem to have kind of like gone away. I'm no longer really worried about them anymore. My knee feels good, my foot feels good, my Achilles, that pain has seemed to vanish, and my fitness has been rapidly coming back to me. So with all that, I've been feeling pretty good. But with that, we got a bit of a doozy for a workout today. We got 2 by 2 by 400 at like 58 to 60. Then we got 2 by 3 by 300 at whatever pace. I'll have it up on screen right here. But with that, we're gonna have a fun one today. I swear to God, I'm the biggest distance runner in the NCAA.
That's kind of a bad video, right?
Benny boy, what are you up to? Walking? Make that face again. Alright, so we're going into drills right now. So I'm gonna put on the Endorphin Pro 4s. We're gonna do the first set of 400s just in these to feel it out. If they feel good, or if I'm feeling good, I'll swap over to the spikes. Granted, I'll probably swap over to the spikes regardless, just to hit those 58s to 60s. Just leave the spikes on for the rest of the 200s. But we're just gonna rep these out. The shoes are getting a little worn out though. But we're gonna rep it out and just see how it feels. I'll get to you after the workout. All right, Dylan, explain to the camera what you're doing.
I'm drinking Celsius right before my workout because mentally I need to pick me up. Well, obviously caffeine's not gonna hit until 30 minutes later. But of course, for me, that doesn't matter because I'm the winner this workout.
All right, we're just getting ready to start. In my opinion, mastering 60-second 400s is the key to perfecting any middle distance race. Because in the mile, if you can do 60 seconds comfortably, 800, if you can do 60 seconds comfortably, PRs will fall like nothing. So let's get into it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Now, I'm not one for gatekeeping, but these Saucony cheetahs, well, I tell you what, I confidently believe that these are the best running spikes known to man for middle and distance. So I think if you really want to experience what the best of the best spikes are, get yourself a pair of these. You'll never go back. Chilly out.
You're recording?
Yeah. so funny. It's so fucking we just got done with the sets of 400s now, so moved on to the 200s. Hard part of the workout's over, so this should be considerably easier. I'm terribly sorry also right now. Benjamin is right behind you. Alright guys, so we just finished up the workout. Paces were pretty good. We hit them pretty well. I was definitely going lactic there towards the end of the 400s, and those end 200s were pretty difficult, I must say. But we got through the workout. It also is pretty damn cold out. Like, it's sitting at, I think, 30 right now, while it's supposed to be about 48. So that was pretty rough, but we got through it. Right now, we're just head to do the cool down, get a little weights in, get some grub, and go to bed. Here are the end splits. End splits were pretty solid. Definitely a little harder than it should have been, but getting back into shape, just off injury finally, and starting to feel healthy again. Definitely can't complain about that. So, Ben and Dylan did pretty damn well. Ben, what do you have to say? It's aight. He ran. But with that, hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.